Hey guys, it's Graham here sharing my flight report with you of my Airbus A330 experience from Singapore to Brisbane. As you can see by the majestic Singapore Airlines tail insignias, I am at Changi Airport right now watching an aircraft take off. I believe that was a Silk Air flight. As you can see, that Emirates aircraft taxiing in. Singapore Airlines A380 there. Actually, there's two there. I was lucky enough to be taking off during the peak period of the airport, and for some reason there was a major backlog. So if you're an aviation enthusiast, check this video out. I was able to film from the best seat on the aircraft, in my opinion, right in front of the engines on the Airbus A330 two-seat configuration between Singapore and Brisbane. As I said, the entire airport, guys, was full. It was something to behold, honestly. And there's an A350 Qatar Airways right next to us. There's me trying to get the GoPro to film the in-flight safety video. Now, because of the number of aircraft operating, we did have a 20-25 minute pushback delay. As I could understand, almost every gate at Changi was full. This was in the morning, middle September. I'll have to check that, but I was able to get two seats, and right smack bang under my window is where the leading edge of the wing meets the aircraft, so I was able to get not only a spectacular view of the aircraft itself, but listening to the, I think they're Rolls-Royce Trent Bridge engines, listen to the power up. It was quite an amazing spectacle, because Brisbane International Airport might have 6 or 7 aircraft that are somewhat unique, usually all small. Quite rarely you'll see an A380. You get quite a few Boeing 777s, but I was able to be on the correct side as we taxied the entire width from the very end of Terminal 2 all the way to Terminal 1, and I think we see the majority of Terminal 3 in this taxi anyway. So this video is not so much focusing on the flight itself, but more so the aircraft, but we do have the takeoff as well, so that will be near the end of the video, however. But honestly, sit back, relax, enjoy, and as you can see, spectacular Qatar Airways Airbus A350 there. Launch customer, I believe, of that aircraft. Could be wrong. Correct me if I am in the comments below, but honestly, I'm absolutely thrilled to be getting this footage to you. Put a lot of time and effort into holding my camera still. My wrist after this, as like I gave myself a... Now let's just leave that completely. My wrist was killing me, put it that way. As you can see, our gate right on the edge of Terminal 2, and Changi's got something like, what, 130 gates across 3 terminals, all connected in a U shape. So I'm going to take you along the whole width. Keep your eyes out for some A380s. I believe there's a few A350s as well, not including that one. We do pass another Singapore Airlines A350. It seems to be all the rage because there aren't that many around, but I was absolutely blown away that I was on the correct side for this taxi. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Please let me know if you spot them in the comments below. I am an incredibly nervous flyer, so this film kept me sane. So let me know how you like flying. As I said, I'm not the biggest fan, but alright, that's enough from me, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks again.
By pulling on the red tabs. To inflate it further, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. In the unlikely event of evacuation, follow the escape path lighting to the nearest exit. Emergency exits are fitted with slides used for land evacuation or as routes on water. Remove any high-heeled footwear prior to using the slide. Do not take your personal belongings with you, as this will slow down your evacuation. Please refer to the safety information card for more details. Passengers seated at the emergency exit doors may be called upon to assist the cabin crew.
Smoking is strictly prohibited on all our flights. Thank you for your attention.
And have a pleasant flight.
announcement, cabin crew to your takeoff stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelts are fully fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Thank you. Always give a seatbelt fasten as well needed. When the seatbelt sign is turned on, toilet should not be used, and we apologize that we are unable to serve hot beverages. If you tend to be carried